Hey guys, this is Chef Ashanti with Chef and Heels. I am in my last week of pregnancy and doing a few preparations as he comes, or getting ready to come. I wanted to share a few of those preparations with you guys. I'm actually sipping on some red raspberry leaf tea this morning, which my doula suggested would be good for me to drink every day to help get me ready for the process as I'm trying to go natural. I am doing a little DIY project and going to be making some pads this morning that will help me heal naturally after I give birth. So it's a really easy DIY, and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So I'm going to be making what they call Padsicles. It's a pad pretty much made of herbal devices that you can use right after you give birth to help you heal naturally. So really quick and simple because my toddler is up and roaming. Here's my bottle that I'm going to use, and it's already made. I made it yesterday. I used these few ingredients, and I tried to grab everything I could to show you guys. I got these 2 teas from Whole Foods that you can get at your local grocery store or natural grocery store. Red raspberry leaf, which is a tea that I'm drinking on, and chamomile with lavender. Go put some pants on. Okay, I will give you a drink after you put some pants on. After you put some pants on. Okay. Go. Okay, Mommy. I've also used natural aloe vera juice, not gel, but the juice. Hey. I used essential oil. I chose lavender because the tea I have already has lavender in it. And I did put rosemary and thyme in here as well. So pretty much I brewed the teas and let it cool down. And once it was cool enough, after it's steeped, I added all of my ingredients. I did about a cup of aloe. I did about 5 or 6 drops of, lavender oil. And I used about half the package of thyme and rosemary. Some recipes call for witch hazel, but as instructed by one of my friends who does postpartum packages, witch hazel is not great for your vagina, and it's not supposed to go in your vagina whether it's alcohol free or not. So I did not use that, but I did get these pads that are chlorine free from Kroger's. They were a little bit hard to find, so you can also order them on Amazon if you can't find them at your local grocery store, because apparently all pads have chlorine in them. And so let me show you guys how to make it once you actually, make this concoction. This tea is really good. All I did was add honey to it. So you're going to take the pads and open them up. Leave them intact as much as possible. I'm going to leave everything intact as much as possible. And I'm just going to take my concoction and spray it. When you spray all of them, you can wrap them back up and then put them in a freezer. You will only need these for like a few days after you give birth. And whatever you don't use, you can store in the fridge and spray on yourself, you know, after you have the baby. Kiana, go put some pants on. So, I'm done. Go. Now I'm just going to wrap it back up. And put it in the freezer.